Hi, today I'm going to go through how to use the projected wedge on the PBI Grass app. I'm here on the home screen. The app is up to date. I'm just after synchronizing the data. I select cover data. Then I select the planner, which is halfway down the screen. This opens the planner where paddocks are ranked highest to lowest according to their cover. These can be re-ranked or rearranged by selecting the arrow here on the right hand side of each paddock. The projected growth rate is 50 kilos of dry matter per day. If I want to increase that, you can, or decrease it. So I've increased it there to 60 kilos. Next, I need to select the number of days where I want to see the projected wedge. So view plan, select it, and I want to see the projected wedge after 7 days. Then I select projected wedge, and this is what my wedge is going to look like in 7 days' time. You can see that there are a lot of paddocks on this particular farm, so you can zoom in to see the paddocks more clearly. Then the next step then would be to see the farm cover and cover per livestock unit by simply clicking on summary at the top of the screen. Thank you.